Hello, my little superstars. Today we are going to read sentences. Are you ready? Yes. Let's begin. Follow the small blue circle and read along. Exciting news! Visit teachingmumma.com, the fun quiz website for kids. Try free quizzes and sharpen your knowledge. Before we begin, do hit on the red subscribe button if you haven't to watch new learning videos every day. A day at the park. A day at the park. I went to the park today. Again. I went to the park today. Your turn. Very good. I saw birds flying in the sky. Again. I saw birds flying in the sky. Your turn. Very good. I played on the swing with my friend. Again. I played on the swing with my friend. Your turn. Very good. We shared an ice cream together. Again. We shared an ice cream together. Your turn. Very good. It was the happiest day. Again. It was the happiest day. Your turn. Very good. Are you ready to answer some questions? Let's get started. Should we run very fast near the swing? Yes or no? And the answer is no. We should not run very fast near the swing. Correct? Let's go to the next question. Should we wait for our turn on the slide? Yes or no? And the answer is yes. Of course, we should wait for our turn on the slide and not push anybody. Is it safe to talk to strangers in the park? Yes or no? And the answer is no. It is not safe to talk to the strangers in the park. Should we stay close to our parents in the park? Yes or no? And the answer is yes, we should always stay close to our parents in the park. I hope you be safe in the park and enjoy your day. Hey, parents and kids, did you enjoy today's story and questions? You can practice even more with fun quizzes on teachingmumma.com. Visit teachingmumma.com, practice free quizzes. You can also check our levels 1 to 10 and download certificate for each level. Not only this, would you like to see how the quiz looks?
Which item can be recycled?
So you know the answer, right? Visit Teaching Mumma and attempt these quizzes. Check out our affordable subscription plans for more fun learning. See you here soon. If you have any questions, WhatsApp me on this number. You did amazing today. You read so many sentences. Do click on the subscribe button for Teaching Mumma and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for new videos every day. Are you excited to meet Teaching Mumma in the next video? I am excited too. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.